Okay, so we're entering the junior suite in Riu Palace Aquarelle, and we're going to head straight out to the balcony. And ladies and gentlemen, the place is already occupied, so you're gonna see stuff of occupation on the balcony. Just look around. This is the view, and this is from the 4th floor. They say this is a partial view, but we don't see anything partial about this because you're seeing all of the sea and a good portion of the hotel. And as you can see, the balcony, standard balcony, there's a chair there. There's a little area for you to put your clothes to dry. There's also another chair and a stand. So we're going to go back into the room, and a sofa is present with a desk, and there's our area where we work and make stuff happen. Some of the editing equipment right off there, along with another chair, and we have work going on. You can see 2 nice mirrors on the wall and a king size bed. Yes, standard. Look at this king size bed. And we love these lights. These lights are real futuristic because you can do it that way. Turn it on, turn it off, turn this on. And quite interestingly, if you notice, those are 2 chargers that you can use for USB type C, and the original port for USB. Phone as standard, and stands, and over here big screen TV along with your standard furniture. Moving along, same thing is on his and her side, so who chooses to sleep where. And a nice closet with sliding doors. Everything is new, and you get 2 robes per room, so if you're a robe person, you will enjoy this. Your ironing board, all new, and a big mirror. And what's common to Rio, if a lot of people visit the Rio chains, is this little guy that they full up for you almost. If you can finish this each night or each day, they'll restock it for you quite easily. And then we're going on to the fridge. See it there, the fridge is happening. Your air condition control. Moving on, and we come to the bathroom. As we say, it's occupied, so you're going to see stuff all over. Your dryer for the ladies who love their mirrors, the big mirror and the small mirror. And another unique thing to it, you have these dispensers. So this is liquid soap, and this is hand and body lotion. Okay, and nice under here for your towels, the storage, and a handle to put your towels when you're finished. And then we go over to the big boy again in here, the shower. Nice rain head, shower head, and a handheld over this side. And again, we have these dispensers. One is for shower gel, the other shampoo, and the final one is for conditioner. And when you come, please remember that the big knob controls the rain head up top, and the little one you can switch between the rain head, shower head, and the small handheld up top. So just a little bit of information there. And then we gently glide back out. We leave the bathroom by bathroom, and we come to the toilet, which is by itself. And again, one of those newer type sophisticated bathrooms. And you see, water saving. And that's it. And that concludes our room tour. Thank you guys. See you later. Stop recording.